So basically, the presentation, I wanted to go over what to do after your cancer treatments. You know, some of you may be just starting or doing some treatments, but the idea was to what to do afterwards. So the doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will interest his patients in the care of the human frame, in diet and the cause, as well as the prevention of disease. Thomas Edison. So the future's here right now. So I am Dr. Arlene Takaki, and I'm a licensed acupuncturist, as well as a Chinese herbalist, as well as a chiropractor, holistic doctor, wellness coach, and breast cancer survivor. So what do you do after your cancer treatment? What I'll talk about is health, sickness, and wellness, and what kind of the definition. Understand the cause of cancer and how your immune system works or doesn't work with cancer. And then talk about detoxifying your environment. As well as nutrition, you want to eat well. Movement or exercise, you want to definitely move well. And then your mental health, you want to think well. So what is health? Basically, we usually think about health as not being sick or having any kind of symptoms. But really, by definition, it's a state of consistent homeostatic cell function. And what does homeostasis mean? So it's a state of well-being and health and balance in the body, as well as in healing, growth, and repair. So basically, it's about balance. And what is sickness? Sickness, by definition, is a lack of consistent homeostatic cell function. So we usually think about illness or a sickness or some kind of a disease. And what is wellness? So basically, it's a state of mind, body, and spirit where we're living happy, healthy lives and living to our full potential. So our goal here is to be well. So what is it, the stressors in our life? Usually we think about what's deficient in our life when we think about illness and being sick, or that something is toxic in our life. So the toxicity moves us away from wellness and towards sickness. And this is also Chinese medicine. We look at that as what's toxic. So we take away for instance, the heat if you're having the hot flashes, or any other kind of toxicity. And deficiency, we want to nourish the body.